How to turn off notifications in Windows. Click on this icon that you can see on your screen. Once you do that, click on the option Manage Notifications. After you do that, you'll be able to see the notifications and actions over here. Right over here, notification has been turned on. What you have to do is toggle this button off. After that, you'll not be able to receive the notification. Likewise, you can also click on this option for Focus Assist. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You can choose whether you want to receive the notifications or not. Click on the option off that you can see on the screen. Now you'll not receive the notification since the focus mode has been turned on. So like this, you'll be able to turn off notification in Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.